The maximum power transfer theorem. This theorem states that maximum power is transferred from a network to a load connected across the output terminals of the network when load impedance is equal to the impedance of network as viewed from the output terminals when all the generators are replaced by their internal impedances. So the total impedance with respect to output terminals will be the Thevenin's impedance. We are familiar with this network, which is the Thevenin's equivalent circuit. So PS is equal to PTH plus PL. PS is the power generated across the voltage source. That will be equal to the power generated across the impedance ZTH and across the ZL. That is PTH is the power across Thevenin's impedance, PL is the power across the load resistance. And we can write PL is equal to I square ZL from the equation I square Z. And I we know from this V by ZTH plus ZL whole square into ZL. And now we know PL will be PL maximum only when ZTH is equal to ZL. That is, when ZTH is equal to ZL, PL will be PL maximum. So this will be equal to V square by 4 ZL by rearranging. So PL maximum will be equal to V square by 4 ZL only when the impedance, Thevenin's impedance is equal to load impedance. Efficiency of a network when it transfers maximum power to the load. That is, power generated by the source is given by P is equal to PTH plus PL. That is I square ZH plus I square ZL. Where I square is common, I square into ZTH plus ZL. So the power obtained across the load impedance PL is equal to I square ZL. The efficiency of the work eta is equal to power transferred to the load by power generated by the source. That is I square ZL divided by I square into ZTH plus ZL. That's equal to ZL, I square got cancelled, remaining ZL by ZTH plus ZL. When the maximum power is transferred, we have already discussed that ZTH will be equal to ZL. That is, eta is equal to ZL by 2ZL. That's equal to 0.5. That is, the efficiency is 50%. The efficiency is 50% only when the maximum power is transferred to the load. So, the use of maximum power transfer is limited. Generally, the maximum power transfer is applicable to the communication network where the main aim is to transfer the maximum power or maximum signal with maximum strength to the load irrespective of efficiency. Now we can prove that when maximum power is transferred, impedance of network viewed with respect to output terminals or Thevenin's impedance equals the load impedance. That is ZTH is equal to ZL at the maximum power transfer. We had to prove that. You know PL is equal to V by ZTH plus ZL square ZL, that is I square ZL. For PL maximum you can say dPL by dZL equal to 0, that is the power will not be varying with the corresponding load impedance. Power across the load remains same irrespective of changes in load impedance. So when we substituting for PL, d by dZL into PL is equal to 0. That's equal to V square into 1 by ZTH plus ZL square into d by dZL into ZL plus ZL into this term equal to 0. By removing the constant term and the remaining we can write it as 1 by, this will be dZL by dZL is equal to 1 and V square will not be equal to 0. So take the remaining term, that is 1 by ZTH plus ZL square plus ZL into d by dZL of this term equal to 0. That is, by differentiating, we get this term as minus 2 by this equal to 0. By rearranging, we can write it as 1 minus, that is removing or cancelling the common term 1 by ZTH plus ZL square is common in these two terms. Remaining 1 minus 2 ZL by ZTH plus ZL equal to 0. So by rearranging, 1 is equal to 2 ZL by ZTH plus ZL, 2 ZL is equal to ZTH plus ZL, which implies ZTH is equal to ZL. That is, for the maximum power transfer, the Thevenin's impedance is equal to the impedance across the load. So again, the maximum power transfer occurs when ZTH is equal to ZL. Hence the proof. Thank you.